On the first day, they showed me their design, and I don't think it's workable.
Every time we do a design, sometimes the robot doesn't work at all and it's too flimsy.
Our original design, it's supposed to go for high goal. Bring the basket up and throw the ball into the hoop. But the stand is too flimsy.
So we have to go back to changing the design.
So I suggested you connect these two stand with iron stick. Visually I saw it. Design of the robot, we kept changing it about 3 times.
As for the autonomous, you have to program it to go its direction, and you can't really know what will happen to it.
Check the length of the belt.
We couldn't decide on the strategy because we actually wanted the robot to do a lot of things, but it's not really possible.
I don't like my robot, it's very ugly.
Actually, the most important thing is whether your robot works or not. The important thing is that your robot is able to do the task. Whether it's nice design or it looks ugly or it's out of shape or whatever not, as long as it's able to do the task, then it's alright.
There was a lot of trial and error work involved. We weren't sure which design will work best, and if the design didn't work, we had to redo the whole robot again.
So we decided that will not be a good thing to go on with this design.
Not everyone saying that it's a good design, but after this discussion, we thought about it. We feel that this is a workable design, and we decided to take a try in it.
So you had to reconstruct everything, right?
Yeah, but if they reconstruct, I also have to reconstruct mine, else it doesn't match with the latest design. Quite annoying and stuff like that. When I had to do it, no choice. Sometimes you also have to put sensors around the robot to prevent it from when you meet obstacles, it won't crash to it. It will reverse back. But the problem is we have balls around. Then if the sensor sense and thought that it's an obstacle, it will reverse. So we can't put. So we prepared not to put any sensors around it. We just count the distance it had to move, count the distance, and then move the direction we want it to move, and the thing will keep on taking in the balls until we reach the low goal and release it.
We are now programming our robot for the autonomous period. We are trying to program our robot to lift up the arm, and we're trying to use a limit switch to actually stop the arm.
So the arm had a bit of trouble. The axles kept getting damaged. So we had to keep changing. It was right in the middle inside the robot, so you had to remove everything again and put it back inside.
The robot heavy arm is the basic one.
At times, the difficulties just seem too much.
The ball could get out of the arm and fall out, as in it could not get into a container. So we couldn't score with that, and that we encountered a lot of problems. We are supposed to finish it by the start of January, and because of the shaft is rounded, we have to take out and everything and redo.
Sometimes if the flap or the arm goes too fast, then it will go overboard.
We cannot be so sure that it's not going to work. I mean, going to work exactly the way you want it to be. So definitely, if there's problem, you have to overcome it.
When they built the arm, right, it was quite funny, you know, where they put the arm is at the back, so it was kind of confusing. We do not have the same set of mind, but we try to, you know, to understand each other's.
Sometimes the engineering team and the programming team will tend to discuss more on their own instead of getting the whole group down to discuss. But I think now they're trying to make an effort to include everyone.
They are a new, fresh group of students this year, so I see that they are learning quite fast.
I feel that I'm not very happy about it. As in, but I must remind myself that this is the robot. My task is just to guide them along, and it's their choice to choose their own design of robot.